I was on the pickleball court and I didn't fall, but instead of sidestepping, I stepped over. I did like a little dance and caught my balance, and you could just hear that something was not right, and I couldn't walk without pain. And I went to a local doctor, and the doctor gave me a shot and said, in 10 days you'll be fine, which in 10 days I was worse. Then he said, stay off your feet for 6 weeks. That didn't do it. So that's how I got here. By the encouragement of a friend of mine, she said the only place you go to is HSS. And by that time I was pretty much an emergency. And I called here and got an appointment with Dr. Summers. And I had this surgery like 7 days later.
Hi, Paulette. Hey, how are you? Good to see you. Paulette had a really sudden flare-up of a knee issue. When she came to see me, she was actually in a wheelchair. And so we identified the problem that she had, and the solution to it was a knee replacement surgery. Most people who get a knee replacement surgery have been dealing with arthritis for years, and it's a progressive condition. But Paulette's case was really pretty acute. She went from being a perfectly normal, walking, very active lady to being in a wheelchair really quickly. So the idea of a knee replacement was very scary, I'm sure, for her, understandably, but fortunately she's done fantastic.
I came here, Dr. Summers was so personable, and also his staff. They were all wonderful and very nurturing. He's just been wonderful. I think I've sent, I would guess maybe somewhere in the nature of 40 people here.
She was back to pretty much all activities by around 2 months. And she continues to do great to this day. She just told me that she got off a cruise. She's on a pickleball team, so yeah, she's done great.
I was just on a cruise, and on the cruise I say to myself, I don't wait for the elevator, I walk up and down the steps, and I say to myself, oh, that is like the biggest indication to me that I've made all this wonderful progress.